Hello and welcome everyone to Silver Asset of the Day for the 9th of June 2020, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So as we head into a new week here, we have gold silver ratio currently trading at 97 to 1. So the gold silver ratio is up 1.5% on the day at the moment. And what we're currently seeing at the moment on Tuesday is a breakout on gold, and silver lagging behind at the moment, as the gold silver ratio is suggesting that gold is going to outperform silver over the course of this week, which is actually quite normal as you progress into the month of June here. And then it's really only as you switch into July when normally silver then outperforms gold again. You have to remember, of course, that silver had a phenomenal run over the month of May, up over 25%. And we have seen hedge funds and money managers yet again in the latest week, they've increased their net long positions in silver. But we did get a sizable sell-off on Friday off the back of non-farm payrolls, where we saw gold essentially have the biggest one-day move lower in a couple of months. We've seen that correlation play out through to platinum and also silver, which were under pressure on Friday. Now, what I would look at in terms of key levels over the course of this week on silver would be whether silver can reclaim back above $18 per ounce. We're trading right now at $17.60 per ounce here for silver. Now, we have a major news item, which is Wednesday's FOMC statement, and historically this can be a major catalyst for either a breakout or, of course, a sell-off on the metals here. Now, what we've seen so far this week is no counter flow, which is actually quite typical on a week where you've had a very significant sell-off on the Friday of non-farm payroll. Typically the following week on the Monday, the Tuesday, you'll see a retrace higher on gold and silver, which we discussed in detail on the week ahead commodity report. We're seeing that at the moment. And then what we want to observe from the FOMC statement on Wednesday is not only the statement itself, but of course, 30 minutes later, we want to observe the press conference from Jerome Powell and future monetary policy guidance. And this is where you can get that major movement later on in the day for gold and silver. It's noteworthy that gold versus the Australian dollar versus the euro and versus the pound is leading today, after we've seen fairly sizable pullbacks earlier on in the session on those currencies. So we're seeing right now, after the significant sell-off last week on gold, priced in a number of different currencies, it is recovering faster. So gold price in Australian dollars has been up 1.5% on the day. Gold price in euros has been up 1% on the day. And gold price in British pounds has been up 1.1% on the day. Whereas we're seeing at the moment, gold price in US dollars lagging slightly behind, up just under 1% right now. So you want to watch out for gold not only priced in US dollars, this is the same for silver, not only priced in US dollars, but monitor it in different currencies. If you're seeing gold and silver break out in multiple other currencies, but it hasn't done so yet on the US dollar, it's only a matter of time before it will do. So over the course of this week, what I would be observing is that very key magnetic level on silver at $18 per ounce. If we can break and close above that level, we've then got a bull flag where we have the trajectory to break out back towards the swing highs that we saw tested over the month of May, where silver prices, they increased by over 25%. So that's really what you want to watch out for over the course of this week. And then bear in mind that usually June is a supportive month, more so for gold than silver. But then as we transition into July, this is where typically silver outperforms gold. So with that, that's been Silver Asset of the Day. And of course, we wish you good trading.